Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro and let me show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all we have to do is simply open the recents, and if you've got the gestures just like me, you have to swipe your finger up very gently and hold it right here in order to see the full list of previously opened apps. If you want to close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, we just got back to our homepage, so let's enter the recents again. And as you can see here, we've got no recent apps, so it means that we successfully closed all background apps. So that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.